In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky header on WordPress with just one click. If you've ever wanted your website's header to remain visible as users scroll down the page, you're in the right place. A sticky header keeps your navigation at the top of the screen, enhancing user experience by ensuring easy access to your main menu no matter how far down your visitor scrolls. Let's dive in. First, head over to wordpress.com. You'll want to navigate to the familiar homepage and prepare to access your site's backend. Once there, click on the Login button. If you're not automatically taken to your dashboard, just enter your credentials and hit Enter. This simple step gets you into the control hub of your WordPress website. With your dashboard open, let's move on to our next task. You need to decide where you want this sticky feature to apply. Click on Posts or Pages, depending on where your focus is. If you've got a specific page or a post in mind, choose that. You'll be directed to a list of all your pages or posts. Select the one you want to edit by clicking on its title. Now, this is where things get exciting. On the page or post you've selected, click Edit with Elementor. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows you to customize and design your content with ease. Once you're in the Elementor editor, your journey to creating a sticky header is almost complete. In the Elementor editor, locate the headings on the page. Click on any heading you want to apply the sticky effect to. A panel will open on the left side, filled with numerous options and settings that might seem a bit overwhelming at first. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it. From this panel, click on the Advanced tab. This reveals more options designed to tweak so many elements of your page. But our focus today is the motion of your header. Within this advanced section, click on Motion Effects. This is the secret sauce for creating that sticky experience we're aiming for. Now, here comes the final step. Within Motion Effects, you'll see a simple option labeled Sticky. Click on it, and voila! You have the choice to make the header stick to the top. Select it, and you've successfully enabled the sticky header. And that's it. You're all set. With just a few clicks, you've made your header more user-friendly and interactive. Test it out by previewing your page and watch as your header stays in place while scrolling. Remember, a sticky header can significantly improve your site's navigation, making it more accessible for your visitors to explore your wonderful content. Thanks for joining today, and happy creating!